What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing another tutorial. We're going to be doing a exercise, and before we start I just want to say thank you to the 3 subscribers that I have gotten. Although I do not know your names, I only know one, and so if you are a subscriber, go ahead and comment down in the comment section below, just so I know your name. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So today we're going to be doing a exercise, and we're going to be creating a program that's like a grading program. And basically it's going to ask you to put in the grade that the student got, and it's going to display the grade, like the actual grade, like A, B, C, or D, and you're going to put in the number. So if the student got a 100, it's a perfect grade, so it'll display that it got a perfect grade. So let's go ahead and start. So we're going to have to include the IO stream using the standard namespace. Go ahead and go into our main function here, and we're going to go ahead and start a while loop. So we're going to say while 1, and this is an infinite while loop, so it'll always be true. So let's go ahead and declare 2 integer variables, one being perfect score, and we're going to set it equal to 100, and grade, and we're not going to initialize it. Now let's go ahead and ask the user to enter the grade. Enter the grade the student got. Alright, and we're going to store that in grade. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into a bunch of if statements. So we're going to go ahead and say if grade equals perfect score. I just messed that up. Perfect. That's definitely not what I want. Sorry, guys. There we go. Perfect score. Sorry, I had to take a drink there. My mouth is dry. Alright, so we're going to say that the student has gotten a perfect 100. Yay. We're going to go ahead and end the line, and now we're going to go into a bunch of other if statements. We're going to say if grade is equal to, less than or equal to, 99, and grade, oh, we need to put 2 ampersands, grade is greater than or equal to 90. And we're going to say cout student has gotten an A. And we'll go over the code once we get done. So now we're going to say if grade is less than or equal to 89 and grade is greater than or equal to 90. Oh, 80. Cout student has gotten a B. And for time saving, we're going to go ahead and copy this one. Oh. Copy it again. Copy. Paste. That's going to be the C, D, and F. Alright, so here we're going to change it to 79 and 70. Here we're going to change it to 69 and 60. Here we're going to change it to 59 and 0. is it doing it there? Grade is unidentified. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay, I see what it is. The if statement up here didn't have a, okay, that's what it was. Alright. Alright, and now we just need to change the grades to, their corresponding grade number, which is C, D, and F. And we need to put a system pause right here before we break out of the while loop. So now, if we go ahead and run this, or actually, before we run it, let's go ahead and go through this. So we declare two variables, one being perfect score, and we set it equal to 100, and grade, which is what we're going to store the user input in. So now, if the grade equals the perfect score, which is 100, then the student has gotten a perfect 100, which is a yay. Anything between 99 and 90 would be an A. Anything between 89 and 80 would be a B. 79 and 70, C. 69 and 60, D. And 59 to a 0 would be an F. And then it will do a system pause. Then we need to go back up here. We actually need to declare a system CLS so that it clears the screen and it looks nice. So now if we go ahead and run this, so if we enter 100, the student has gotten a perfect 100. If we enter a 99, the student gets an A. If we enter 89, B. If we enter 36, an F. If we enter 85, a B. If we enter 75, a C. And let's go ahead and get a D in there, so let's go ahead and say, oh no, it's a C. 69, it's a D. Alright, so that's basically how to make a grading program, and it's basically the actual function that grading programs run off of, though they can be a little bit more different and a little bit more complex when you add homework grades and when you average it and stuff like that. But that's just the basic of it. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked the episode, please thumbs up the episode. If you want to, subscribe. If not, that's okay. And I will see you guys next episode. Bye.